So what do you think of the 360-degree products?
So you have got your new smartphone that supports virtual reality this holiday season, and you're ready to take 360-degree from the desktop to your smartphone. The last 6 months have brought major improvements with 360-degree applications, and even hosting of the 360-degree content, with the major players, such as YouTube and Facebook breaking grounds each month to improve 360-degree support. Vendors like Samsung and LG choosing to make their headgear proprietary, while others have an open format to allow more vendors' smartphones into a virtual reality platform. With our focus on mobile 360 VR, we have found a few headgear that have set the standards: Samsung's Gear VR, Mattel's ViewMaster 1.0 and 2.0, Starlight VR, and the Homido's virtual reality glasses for smartphones. Here we are using YouTube and Facebook to show how modern smartphones have built-in gyros to allow the 360-degree applications to let you pan around the virtual world. Now you can explore more of the story than just a standard 2D photo or video. One of the problems is that not every phone is the same size. Google Cardboard is the standard that many VR headgear or glasses are built around, but some vendors have made their lens position and framing of the device for very large phones, which can lead to a poor VR experience when the phone edges are exposed. The exception to this is the Homido mini glasses. Having a smaller profile, the headgear makes for easy transporting when traveling. Samsung's Gear VR comes at a higher price and is built with much more comfort and quality, but the limit of vendor phones put this on the bottom of our picks list. It also requires that you use the Samsung mobile apps to view content. The applications are also the main reason the device can get very hot. This is in the user guide and is operating as designed. The head strap is a great plus with the Gear VR, but if you have a GoPro head strap, it can be used with the ViewMaster. You may need to play a bit to adjust the comfort level, as it is a tight fit. However, it is one of the better DIY mod solutions we have discovered. Mattel gets our Viewer Pick Choice Award, both the original and the new version, along with some of the ViewMaster exclusive content, make this one of the better headgears for under $50. It supports many vendors to include the iPhone, Samsung Galaxy S and Note, the LG and Nexus, even the Motorola Moto X. We do not recommend some of the other Google Cardboard-like viewers, such as the Retract Utopia. Many of these devices have too much open space, which lead to exposure of the phone's frame, which takes away from the virtual experience.
Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. Help support our blog and 360-degree projects by donating on our website, entervrworld.com. We were really happy about the Homido virtual reality glasses.
At the top of our pick list is the Homido's virtual reality glasses for smartphones. This lightweight and very portable headgear makes for easy transport wherever you go. If hosted on a remote site, it is a great way to share your 360-degree moments with friends and family, allowing them to use their own smartphone and view your own 360-degree photos and videos. At under $15, it is also priced to carry around too, so you can enjoy the experience with a friend in real time.